Now, let's take a look at business. An investment firm, Stanlib, has raised 3.6 billion shillings through its real estate investment trust as it seeks to pool funds to invest in the country's real estate sector. Stanlib had initially targeted to raise 12.5 billion shillings but gave 2.6 billion shillings as what it would consider a successful issue. KTN's Michael Karanja has the details.
As the country's first real estate investment trust, there was high optimism that the investment tool would change the way investors look to invest in the real estate sector. Being the first of its kind, the bar was set high with Stanlib Investment seeking as much as 12.5 billion shillings from the debut rate. However, early on there were signs that not all investors were familiar with the investment tool. The rate went on sale on October 22nd and was supposed to close on November 12th, but was extended by 1 week after Stanlib asked for more time in response to investor queries. It was at this point that the issuer set a more attainable target of 2.6 billion shillings as a successful threshold. And that target was exceeded on Thursday when Stanlib announced it had raised 3.6 billion shillings through its Fahari income rate. Majority of the buyers were regional institutional investors who accounted for 2.1 billion shillings of the offer. Retail investors, on the other hand, took up 617 million shillings, while foreign investors took up the remaining 899 million shillings of the offer. Among the investors in Stanlib's income rate include the International Finance Corporation that invested 1.5 billion shillings. Among the properties Stanlib has lined up to buy include the Greenspan Mall in Durham, valued at 2 billion shillings. According to Stanlib, investors are poised to get a minimum annual return of 14% of rental income from properties. Michael Karanja, KTN Business Today.